Alright, so today's going to be a really good day. We're going to be putting this $600 horsepower. I wish. Oh my god. Alright, so today's going to be a really good day. We're going to go ahead and put this $600 SC300 on the dyno. And I'm going to go ahead and capture the results. A couple of reasons why I want to do this. The main reason is because I'm pretty sure I think I know the direction I want to go with this car. And that's because, well, first off, I put about 300-400 miles on the car and I absolutely love it. The car has been great so far. The only issue I have right now is the suspension. The shocks are blown. So I'm going to be putting some coilovers on this thing really soon. But for right now, I'm going to go ahead and get this car dynoed. So I think what I'm going to do is I want to go NAT. And so if I go NAT, I think it's going to be a really good idea to just get a baseline of what this motor is making stock NA, even though we pretty much already know what the horsepower is to the wheels with these cars. But I haven't really seen too many videos, so I'm going to go ahead and put this one on the dyno and let's see what it makes. So this way we have a baseline of what this car is making before, and then if I do eventually go NAT, we'll have what it's making after. So right now I'm getting ready to go ahead and head over to Paradise Racing. They were really nice enough to go ahead and squeeze me in today. So we're gonna go ahead and head all the way over there, and I'll go ahead and I'll jump back on and we'll see what happens. All right. So I'm here with the man, the legend, Luis, over here at Paradise Racing. What are we getting ready to do today?
Make some power pulls, see what the car makes.
Some power pulls. Hopefully.
See what the 600 horsepower, $600.
You know, I keep saying that too, 600 horsepower. I wish, right? We wish.
It correlates.
Right,
$600 SC makes.
Yeah. All right, man, that's good, man.
I guess see how far $600 will take you.
Oh yeah, absolutely. All right, so this is, what kind of dyno is this?
This is a Mustang dyno. So on a Mustang dyno, it uses an eddy current brake and it simulates driving conditions on the road. So it applies the brakes while you're dynoing. So your power numbers are always a little lower because of that. So on average, you'll see somewhere from 7 to 8% on the low side to maybe 14, 15% on the high side. But it gives you a more accurate tune. It gives you more accurate numbers. And that's why most tuners prefer a Mustang dyno over the regular, just, you know, free spinning dynos.
Okay, so in translation, we can expect to see lower horsepower figures than what we would normally
Absolutely,
see.
absolutely. Okay. You'll see lower numbers, but it's going to give you a baseline. It's going to give you a more accurate reading. Once we decide to start tuning on this thing, your air-fuel ratio will be a lot more solid.
Awesome, awesome. So there you go. So if the numbers are way too low, it's because the dyno is the reason.
Not the car.
Not the car. Not the car. There's nothing. Hopefully, there's nothing wrong with the motor.
No.
All right, this is awesome.
called it. It's pretty close.
Yeah.
123.
Yeah. So that's pretty good so far. I mean, the motor's around where it needs to be.
Pretty solid, exactly.
Yeah.
Pretty solid.
Is there anything you could do to change that to 600?
Oh yeah.
$600 for 600 horsepower?
No, $600 won't do it. But if you leave it here for about a week, you can come pick it up, make it 1,000 horsepower, no problem. Here we go.
All right. That's pretty good.
Can't beat it.
So overall thoughts on the 600 horsepower SE?
For $600.
Sorry, $600. We keep saying 600 horsepower.
Exactly.
I think it's inevitable.
I think that's the name of the project.
Right, 600.
Project 600 horsepower. But I mean, let's start from the obvious. For $600, this is a clean car. Clean buy. You got lucky.
Yeah.
So that's number one. Number two, for here we go, 600 horsepower.
Right.
For $600, 177 horsepower on a Mustang dyno, you can't beat it, man. Can't beat it. Can't beat it. Can't wait to get to putting a turbo on this thing for you.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Yeah, it's gonna be badass.
Well, you guys heard it here, man. I'm gonna put the description of the shop here, Paradise Racing. So if you guys need all your racing parts needs, make sure you hit Luis up. Once again,
ParadiseRacing.com. Paradise Racing is at I-8466 Ardwick Ardmore Road. We're in Landover, Maryland. We do anything that's EFI related. We do fabrication, in-house welding, tuning, and part sales.
awesome, man. So there you go, man. Make sure you hit him up. Thank you again.
You're welcome,
for
bro.
squeezing me in on such short notice.
Hey, no problem, man.
Making this happen, man.
It's a pleasure. Thank you for coming out.
No, yeah, thank you, man. All right, so I made it back home. So you can see the cars behind me, safe and sound. And today was a pretty good day. Car only makes 177. Again, it's stock. It's not high numbers, but it's better than what I thought it was gonna make. I mean, $600 car there. I almost said 600 horsepower again. But yeah, in the meantime, if you guys like what you saw so far, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel so that way you don't miss the build. If you guys want to stay up to date with what's gonna happen with this car. Got a lot of work ahead and I'm really excited. So yeah, I'll catch you guys on the next one. Peace.